Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. For this episode, I'm gonna be sharing my January skincare haul with you. Okay, so now let's start opening the packages one by one. This one's from Lazada. Oh, nice. So these are the products that I bought from Some by Me. The packaging is so attractive. I bought the Super Matcha Pore Tightening Toner. So this will be the first time that I will try this toner. It's for tightening the pores. Nice. So should we open it to see what's inside? Let's do that. But I can't. Need this. Okay, let's open it up to see how it looks inside. I saw this one online and it's the type of toner that you have to shake before using it. I don't know how this works yet, but I will surely make a review of this, the toner, and the Super Matcha Pore Clean Clay Mask. See, I've read a lot of great reviews about these products. That's why I wanted to try them as well. And I've also checked out the ingredients and so far so good. Oh wow, this is so nice. Ta-da! Wow, nice packaging. Let's try to open it up. Wow. So this one has a mini spoon inside for hygienic purposes. Good job. By the way, I did not buy all of these products with my own money. I bought them with my points because I have points coming from my work and I also have gift cards. So I converted them all to Lazada and BeautyMNL vouchers. So I did not spend a dime in buying all of these skincare products. So what's this? I can't remember what this is. Oh! This one's the Neogen Green Tea Facial Cleanser. I love green tea. Green tea is one of my favorite skincare ingredients.
Wow.
I've already tried this toner before and I really love it because there's real green tea at the bottom. You also have to shake it before using it. This one is recommended for sensitive skin. I just really love this toner, even the smell is great. Plus, it didn't break me out or anything. I can recommend to use this toner in the morning because, for example, if you have makeup at night and then you don't double cleanse, you don't use like an oil cleanser before using this, it can't get rid of all of the makeup by itself. So it needs the help of an oil cleanser or like a micellar water or something. That's my recommendation. But if you stayed home all day and you just use sunblock, this is enough. You don't need to double cleanse anymore. At least for me. And it has a freebie Snail True Cica Miracle Repair Cream. However, I'm one of those people who are allergic to snail mucin. So my skin reacts violently to snail products. My skin is really sensitive, so how unfortunate. Okay, let's move on to the next one, to the next package. Okay, so this one's from LiveTech. Oh, I think this one's for my cat. What is this? Yeah, this one's for Soju. Thank you to the points I got. I bought a lot of stuff for my cats. Ah, yeah! No, this one's for Silky because she's just a kitten and she always ends up scratching me. See, I have a lot of scratches all over my legs, over my hands. So this is it. I'm gonna try this out later and maybe I can also make a review about it. Let's move on to the next package. God, this one. What's this? This one's for Trigger. See? Here you go. This is Trigger, and that's my brother Tiny. Don't you just love the sunset? This one. What can this be? I can't memorize everything that I bought because I'm so forgetful already. Oh wow. Oh, this one's another Some by Me product. It's a substitute for foundation. Because who wants to wear foundation every day, right? Not me. Skincare first, then makeup comes after. Right? Oh man, what happened to the box? So this one's the Rose Intensive Tone Up Cream. Let's see about that. And this one's a freebie from Innisfree. It's the green tea sleeping mask. I think they already know that I love green tea. Let's see what this is. Okay. Oh yes! This one's for Trigger and for Soju. This one's for their hair because they shed a lot. Oh, what's this? What's this? I can't remember what this is. Damn. I can't open it too. Can't remember buying this. Oh yeah. Okay, so this is the Orly Regular Lacquer Genius Remover for my nails. Because last year I was super busy balancing work life and school life because I'm working full-time and I'm also studying full-time. So I don't have time for myself anymore. When I went to the States, my face didn't even get to taste a single drop of foundation. That's how busy I was. Okay, lastly, I got this package from Beauty Manila. I wish all the money that I used from buying all those bags and those belts and those what you call it, clothes, I should have just invested that money to the stock market or to crypto. Who knows? I could have been rich right now already. So Beauty Manila is fond of doing this to its packaging and see what we got. Ta-da! Okay, wow. So I bought this. This is the Banila Co. Clean It Zero. It's a cleansing balm. It's the Purifying variant. Like COVID, this balm has lots of variants. Just kidding. Oh my gosh, what am I talking about? This product is really good. I use this every night to clean all of my makeup off. It's a makeup remover. Okay, so the Purifying SKU is recommended for sensitive skin. As you all know, my skin is super sensitive. So this one's the right product for me. Next, we got sunblock. So this one's the daily go-to sunscreen. Broad spectrum SPF 50+, PA++++ plus sunblock. This formula is also better according to Purito. It's an upgraded version of the previous sunblock, the one that I used in my last video. Anyway, I'm going to make a review out of everything that I got today. And then next, I got the Laneige sleeping mask. I got this one because my lips are usually always so dry. I can't live without lip balm. My favorite lip balm, by the way, is Birds and Bees. This one's introduced to me by Jelly, so Jelly's my best friend. I tried this one when we were in high school, and then ever since, I started using it up until now. So I'm very loyal to the products that I use. So this is the first time that I'm gonna be trying this product. Okay, so I'm gonna give you an honest review about this one, and this one, and this one. Lastly, I bought this AC Collection Acne Patch from COSRX. This one's recommended for cystic acne or other types of acne. This one's actually not for me. This is for my cousin. I bought this for her because her face is flaring up right now. And I'm going to get her opinion after using this one to see if it's really effective. And I'm gonna share everything with you. Okay, so that's it for my January 2022 skincare haul. I hope you liked this video and see you on the next one. Bye!